Okay, just put your finger in it and then you pull it. You can't even see what slime's in that one. It's probably because it's not... I see it's orange. I see it's orange. I don't know.
I think that's good.
I think it's putty because it's hard.
Hey guys! Today we have Cutie Tooties. Lukey, you want to open yours up?
Yeah.
Well, let's first look at this before we open anything up. You can see this is the packaging. It is super cute. It has that rainbow. It says you can collect 25 plus Cutie Tooties and 25 plus slimes. You squeeze it to find your surprise.
Now shake it up.
No shaking it up. So Lukey, go ahead and you're going to pull this.
Yeah. I do it.
Let's see what's in here.
Is it going to be glittery? I do it blue.
Ooh, so let's put this here.
I do it yours.
Hold
Let's
on.
look at the
Oh, you want to
checklist
do the
first
yellow
before
one?
we open
Okay.
it. Let's look at the checklist. The Cutie
Here's-
Tooties checklist. Those are so cute. Look at the dragon. That's regular one. I do that.
Look at this. Well, Lukey, look, don't you want
Really
that
good.
rainbow cloud or the cloud that's spitting up a rainbow?
Yeah. One rainbow. I want water.
Oh, you want water slime? Okay. Well, now let's leave
Feel it.
this one here. You want the yellow one to open? We'll open that one. He thinks this one has something really special in it. Let's see. Go ahead, take them. You gotta pull it. Very cool. Oh, it looks like it kind of had a mess there.
It's been leaking.
My goodness, it actually is all over our little guy. Well, go ahead and pull that, Luke.
Pull it. Peel it.
You gotta pull.
Oh no, it's not gonna go. I think, what kind of slime is that? It looks like water slime to me. I think water slime we got.
Let's put it in there.
You gotta squeeze. I see the surprise already. The surprise already open. It's still there. We gotta get the...
There we go.
Some slime is went right out. Whoa. We hope you feel it. No. Let's open the surprise and see what you got.
Poopsie.
I feel it. Here, it's hard to open this. Look at a pretty dragon, I think. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that dragon. Show the camera. No. That's the dragon. Look how pretty that is.
Very cool.
That's that.
And now, let's
the
open
green
this
one.
green one.
Let's open the green one.
Go ahead, can you peel that open?
Okay, it's really glittery. Okay, let me just put my finger in there. What kind of slime is that? It's hard to open. Oh, that's one everywhere. Let me just try to peel this. Ooh, that's sparkly slime. Let's take out this. I'm trying to squeeze it.
Put it on here.
Here. That's hard to take out. Gotta take out this.
Is that like a putty slime?
I think it's bouncy slime because it's softer. Let's take out all this slime. Oh, I see the surprise. It's hard to get out. It's already peeled. To get all the slime out, it's really sticky. Let's put this. Let's see what one. Ooh, it's the flower. There's already some slime in it. We gotta take all the slime off of this. Oh my goodness. I need to pop this out somehow. Let me try to pop this out because it's pretty hard to get out. There we go. I think I can just, there's too much slime on it. I can't pull it out. Let me just take all the slime off and then maybe I can get it out.
Is it dried up slime?
No, it's just slime that's stuck in it. Okay, let me just get all the slime off of this and maybe I can get it out. Maybe I can get it.
Try popping it out.
Okay. It won't come out. I'm trying to push it by the body, and then I'm trying to... Wait, I think I can get it. It's not going to come out. Wait, I think I got it now. Yeah, I did. Here, let me just get all the slime off, and then maybe I can do it.
Well, here, Elena, while you're doing that, go ahead and let Noah open up the other one.
No, that is dry.
Yeah,
Right?
do this one.
You gotta peel it from there. No, I think you peel it from here. No, right here in the middle. So that will be very easier to do it.
There we go.
Peel it. Ew,
Checklist.
wonder what slime is going to be in that one, because that's the one that we got in the green one. It's green, it's bouncy. The other one's water slime. We might get marshmallow. That's the slime I've really been wanting, marshmallow. It's like fluffy slime, but I just call it marshmallow slime. Whoa, it's like a rose gold, kind of. It's actually just red. It's like a rose color.
So here it is.
We'll put the slime in this. Now let's peel the bottom. Which slime?
Glitter. Let's fill it.
Okay, just put your finger in it and then you pull it. You can't even see what slime's in that one. It's probably because I see it's orange. I see it's orange. I don't know.
I think that's good.
I think it's putty because it's hard. You gotta like maybe put your finger in. Okay, maybe
This
just
is
try
like
to.
water.
It might not be what. It looks like putty to me. Is it
It does
putty?
feel like putty.
It might be putty slime.
Or it could be bouncy slime.
Yeah, but this one's bouncy slime because it's really squishy. It's not hard like putty. Just try to put your finger on it. How about you just peel off the bottom? One.
Just gonna try to pop it out.
Just try to like squeeze it really hard and like maybe.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Okay.
Ooh.
Let's open it. It's the rainbow sun that's puking, I think. That's so cute.
Oh, that
that
one's
one's so
pretty.
pretty.
Look at that.
So
Oh, yep. This
beautiful.
is putty slime.
And those have little
So
sparkles.
let's show the little characters you
Characters.
guys got.
We have a flower or puking sun
Come on.
and a dragon.
Very cool.
Look,
And now let's show the slime. Luke has this really
jiggly.
jiggly, watery
water.
slime.
And I have putty slime, some putty slime with little stars in it. And this is
The bouncy
slime.
slime.
Look how awesome this stretch is. Really big. It's really
Wow.
big. This is really nice slime to stretch.
Let us know what slime you
Yes.
guys like or which slime you guys would have liked to have seen. Well, we'll see you guys next time.